What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So the reason for this video, I'm just trying to get straight to the point, so I don't waste so much of your time. The reason for I'm gonna keep looking that way right there because even though it feels like I'm looking this way, I have two monitors, so I'm constantly checking to make sure everything looks good. I guess. Yeah, just the lighting doesn't let you see the little smoke right here. Little mint, I think, to keep me awake. Anyway, yeah, the mic is on. Last time I did this like 3 or 4 times today, and let's see if I get to turn on this mic. This mic closer. Okay, that probably feels it sounds better. Okay, so this reason for this video is, as you guys know, I'm doing not project, Team Treehouse, and I just not long ago I finished Project 5. So I told myself once I get to Project 5, I start doing more YouTube. I'm keep saying this, but I have to make the time to do the 100 days of code, check in on video to see what I've done for the day, just to record it what I've done for the day. And I'm also going to be reviewing the projects in the process. So far, I love it. I love everything about it. I know everyone is going to have their own opinion, what's good and what's not. I love it. I feel like I'm learning the most through it, mostly because it's project based. So, for those that don't know what Project 5 is, basically there's 9 projects. Project 5 is the first JavaScript project. It's a galleria, a photo galleria that's responsive, mobile first, and it has its own search engine. So as you can see my screen here, I'm getting better at this. So now I know that I use OBS Studio to my other screen. I have exact what you guys are seeing, and then I won't block anything anymore like I was before. So here, this is my GitHub. Um, Now I could get through all the depositories here, repositories, repositories, but I can. I'm just gonna go through here because this is one of my last projects. You know what's weird about GitHub is this is mostly JavaScript, and I still try to figure out why it says just HTML. It's yeah, I guess because it has more code of HTML, which feels like I spent a lot more time on it, JavaScript. So basically here, for those that are new to GitHub, you could use GitHub Pages. That's on. That's also on Team Treehouse. You have to have a GitHub account because that's how you get your projects reviewed. So you go through the motions. You go through the the quizzes, the code challenges. Then sometimes you have to create quizzes from scratch as it gets more difficult, as it gets closer to the end. And then for the project, since project one, they make you do a GitHub, and then you give the link. You actually have an API that you connect GitHub to their system, and then you pick the name of the project. I like to keep them pretty simple, so I don't want to keep on project one, project two, project three. I just prefer not to. I'd rather keep it more professional, and that was also told by my mentor. So anyway, so here I went to settings. I'll go down here to GitHub Pages, and this is the project. So as you can see, and again, I'm only looking to that side just to make sure that I'm showing you the right thing. It's a little intimate. It's my lovely wife. So let's try to change this to, oops, that's not what I wanted. I want the view. I should know this. I'm just gonna be playing with mobile. Here we go. So this is the mobile view. That's the iPhone 4. We're gonna go through. Hold on 1 second. I'm just no, I was gonna do something, but it's fine. Basically, here we have the iPad view. As you could see, it's responsive. I have let's choose X iPhone. I think the iPhone 2 XL. As you can, and I tested also on my phone, so everything looks great. iPad Pro. I don't have an iPad Pro, so I can tell you if it looks like that or not. I'm actually have I have a Pixel. I'm a Pixel type of guy. Desktop and the iPhones, Galaxies. Yeah, you guys get the point. So basically, here, let's do this one more time. Uh, no, I'll just show you the code on. I'd rather show you the code on GitHub. So this is pretty much the page. Now, as you can see, I've been testing it. So I did a little bit. I went a little bit longer as far as I did a little bit more on my code. I did it even if you copy and paste, which is additional. They didn't ask for it, but you copy and paste the word, you'll still search. So let's just say if I type in red, give me anything with red. If I type in sky, it gives me something that has not anything because everything has a sky. It'll give me this one of the pictures that has the word sky. Let's see if I type in trees. If I type in lake, if I type in ice, you guys get the drift. And then if I go here, this is what's picking up the keywords from. I believe, unless if it has like a section that I didn't quite pay attention to. So they give you the whole mock. They give you the pictures. The only thing really you have to make it responsive. You have to make them evenly. However, they recommend that you the images away from each other, and then the search bar. So I'm going to go back to the code. In here we have what I coded in was HTML. Right here, I did very minor stuff, but it was this right here. The gallery, the references. These words are provided to you. So the image 3, second image, third image, fourth image. These are things that I write just to know what they are. As you guys know, doing commenting on your code is very helpful for yourself. I've learned that for yourself and from others. And also the JavaScript. There you go, right here. So everything here I wrote in except this. Actually, no, this was implemented. They give you the steps on not implemented or getter box. I guess that's what gives that nice view with the sliding and everything. And this was changed by myself, just the coloring. I didn't like the color though. I liked it, but this one stands out a little bit better. Some things they don't allow you to. They really want you to stick with their colors, but in this project, they didn't give me any beef about it. The code, I wrote all the code here. This is all the JavaScript code. Of course, when I get stuck, I reach out to my mentor, and I always tell her that I don't want her to fix anything. I just want her to give me some type of direction. And this is helping, absolutely helping. So that's the project. This is project 5. Sorry, I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. Looks like it's gonna be a 10-minute video. I apologize about that. This is the bruschetta. Sounds like a Italian sandwich. Bugatti box. Hey, let me get a Bugatti box. Anyway, so here is your GitHub, and that's pretty much it. Once again, the project was fun. It's very it's use it on my resume as well. I actually just added my YouTube page to my resume. So, and I have this here the whole time. I'm currently looking for a developer's job. So this is my LinkedIn. I have it open right here. A little bit self-advertisement. So If anyone comes across this, you want to have a conversation, I have my contact information right here. Easy to find me, Marco F. Figueroa Ramos. And I'm open for conversation to talk to anyone and to break into the industry. That's the reason I'm doing this. I'll talk about what I do. I have one video there, but I don't. It's not as. It's a little broken up. It's not as detailed. I'll talk about why and when, but I think it's on one of those videos on my YouTube. Probably doesn't look and sound as good as this one, because I changed some hardware, but it's there if you want to view it. Anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to review this project and thank Team Treehouse for having such a great platform, helping myself and many others out there that are trying to get into the software development and web development side of things. If you last this long, thank you. If you want to see more videos like this, if these videos are helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, like the video. That helps with the algorithms. From what the YouTubers do and I do, it does for me to get out there. The reason is I'm trying to get um, people to subs, and but it's not really. I'm not trying to meet the million or the 100,000 or the 50,000. I'm using this as an extension of my resume, so it's really to be found by recruiters or employers or anybody that wants to collaborate and work with me. Uh, so thank you once again. This is Marco Does Code. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. I have to write a better part, I guess, for YouTube, so I can provide all that information there. Once again, thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me for these long 10 minutes, 11, 12 minutes now. It's all good. Thanks for stopping by, guys and girls. Deuces.